Hey, this is the DIY Magician. I'm here at Kapital Kidvention, and I'm in front of the amazing Barry Mitchell. That's right, Barry Mitchell products right behind me. Barry, in fact, is right over my shoulder. If you see him right there, he is amazing. You need to go see his products. Barry Mitchell products are creative. They are easy to do, and they have a really good message behind them. That's the important thing, is you want to have magic that is fun and that gives a message, something that is better than, let's put the razor blades in the mouth and pull them out on a string, da-da, and read a book. That's not what you get with Barry Mitchell. Barry Mitchell's going to give you a story. He's going to give you a whole routine based on the prop that you're buying. In addition to that, Barry's very creative and has written many books, and he's produced many videos, and you're going to be able to go and find all sorts of information on that, and it's just amazing. So if you want to get creative, you want to do some magic that's not going to be difficult, but is going to have a good, strong message, Barry Mitchell Products is your way to go.
And then I will need, I don't have any cold, so I can ship it.